Hey guys, today we're going to do a get ready with me and I'm going to talk to you about something really exciting. So I am working with Online Makeup Academy to tell you guys about their courses. I'm about to take one myself and I could not be more excited. I'm just going to start by priming. I'm just doing my everyday makeup. I have a couple of things to do today and I have a couple of videos to film. I really want to sit down and start this course and I've already had a look over it and it looks so fun. Like, I feel like it's all becoming real now. So yeah, I'm just getting ready for the day. So yeah, Online Makeup Academy reached out and it was just an opportunity that I could not turn down. I have been doing makeup for 8 years now and I did a tiny bit of like a makeup. I did like beauty therapy in TAFE and they touched on makeup a tiny bit, but like that's basically all the training I've ever had to do with makeup, and I've always wanted to do a course, and so this opportunity came around. It was just like absolutely perfect. So I'm going to be doing the master course, I think it's called. Let me have a look. Yeah, it is. So it's called the Makeup Master Course. And yeah, like I've got all of my like things here ready to start, like all of my things here like ready to start. And it just looks so great. Like, I'm actually so excited. I don't know why I've kind of never done this before. I've always thought about it, but I've just never had the push that I needed. And then obviously someone like reaching out and saying, would you like to work with us? Is like, oh my God, yes, please. I cannot wait. I am really excited. Even though I'm working with them, all thoughts and opinions are my own. And I mean, hopefully you guys can tell that I'm genuinely excited about this opportunity. I think that sometimes being in this industry or whatever, people don't see it as like a real job. So to be able to sit down and do some like real learning is really exciting, I think. And I'm just really excited to upgrade my skills. They have given me a discount code, which I will get for you guys. I'll tell you in 1 second as soon as I put my foundation on. Yeah, I'm just really excited. I feel like I've kind of, I don't know, like I feel that I'm ready for an upgrade. I feel that I'm ready to take my skills and stuff to the next level, learn some things. I've had a lot of people asking if I take clients lately, and I say no because I don't. I don't know how to do makeup on other people, and I've always been so scared of it. But you know, maybe it's time to learn. Maybe it's time to step outside the comfort zone, because you know, I know that there could be some really great like opportunities and stuff that could come out of that. Also, Online Makeup Academy don't just have the makeup master course, they've also got like the special effects one. They've got one about hairdressing, like they've got one specifically for bridal. They honestly have heaps of great ones on there. So if this one goes well and I enjoy it, then I definitely am thinking about doing some more as well. The special effects one specifically, that would be so much fun. I obviously love special effects, as you guys know, but I know that I have so much more to learn, and there is so much more out there to learn. I also really like the obviously online aspect of it. The thing is, currently I have so much on my plate. Like, I work full time, I obviously need to make my videos and everything like that, so I don't have the time to go and sit in a physical classroom. Like, it's just not possible for me. And I honestly feel like if I was to go and do that, that I wouldn't learn anything, because the whole time I'd be stressing about other stuff that I have to do. So I'm glad that it's like an online course. I can do it at my own pace. They said that like access and stuff never expires, so it's literally all to do at your own pace. Like, which I think is so great because there's no like time limits, there's no rush. I don't work great. like I do kind of. Like I'm okay with like a deadline or whatever, but at the same time, like I would hate to have a deadline and then rush something and have it not be my best work. So the fact that, you know, it's kind of all self-paced is just so great for me. Like, I feel like I'm really gonna thrive. Okay, so I am ready to go and start my course. There's just a few last things that I want to touch on. So when you complete the course, you will get an OMACA professional certificate, which I'm so excited. I'm going to hang that on the wall. You get lifetime access to the program, which once again I said that, like, you know, I'm really excited about that because I need things to go at my own pace. You get individual mentorship. I've already had a little video message from my like tutor and it's so cute. It made me feel so special and important. I don't know. You can complete the course anywhere, anytime. There is no minimum age or education requirement, which is really nice. I feel like yeah, like I didn't really, like I finished high school, but that was about it, so. And then the thing that I'm so excited for is we get pro card discounts. So up to 40% off some select major brands, which I cannot wait for. If you want to check out this makeup course for yourself, you can get $100 off using my code, which is SOJOBEAUTY 100 off, which I'll leave down below. I'll also leave the link and everything like that. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see where this goes and to see how I do. And yeah, I will keep you guys updated. But thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much to Online Makeup Academy for working with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.